Introducing the 2013-2014 Vex-Robotics competition game, Vex-Toss-Up. Vex-Toss-Up is played in a 12-foot by 12-foot field by two alliances, red and blue, each made up of two teams. There are 8 large balls, 4 red and 4 blue available in the game. These are the largest scoring objects ever used as part of the Vex-Robotics competition. There are a total of 20 buckyballs, 10 red and 10 blue available in the game, 4 of which must be used as robot preloads. The object of the game is to obtain a higher score than the opposing alliance by scoring colored buckyballs and large balls into the middle zone and goal zone. There are also 2 vertical cylindrical goals on one end of the field. Teams can score points by stashing their colored buckyballs into the goals, or by stashing their large balls on the goals. Teams will also receive points if they are hanging from their colored balls.
Nice!
Field perimeter. They are high hanging if they are above the height of the field goal. Robots that are holding their colored balls. Separated by a 2-inch high bump. Teams will need to design their robots carefully to make sure they can get over this obstacle.
Oh yeah.
Middle zone and goal zone are separated by a 12-inch high bump. Some teams will want to design their robots so they can get under this obstacle. Let's take a look at some typical match play. Each match starts with a 15-second autonomous period. Robots move around the field without any drivers. The alliance that scores more points during the autonomous period will be awarded with 10 bonus points at the end of the match. After this, drivers will take control of their robots and have 1 minute and 45 seconds to score as many points as they can. This year, we expect to see scoring objects tossed back and forth throughout the match. Vex Toss-Up is a back and forth game. Objects that are scored may not stay scored for long. Robots may try to move their opponent's objects towards the hanging zone to reduce their score. Robots can hang off the hanging bar for big points at the end of the match. If they do it with a large ball, they get even more points. Let's see how matches are scored. Buckyballs and large balls scored in the middle zone are worth 1 point each. Buckyballs scored in the goal zone are worth 2 points each. Large balls scored in the goal zone are worth 5 points each. Buckyballs stashed in a goal are worth 5 points each. Large balls stashed on a goal are worth 10 points each. A robot that is low hanging is worth 5 points. A robot that is high hanging is worth 10 points. Hanging with a ball is worth 10 bonus points. For more information on Vex Toss-Up, see the official rules at robotevents.com or vexrobotics.com. And be sure to
otherwise known as a buckyball. In Vex IQ, we have small buckyballs, but in VRC, we've got this larger buckyball. And of course, we have this big, large sphere. You worried about them bouncing out of the field? Don't. They just die like that. This is such an awesome game. We have a small hanging bar in IQ, and we have the highest point on any Vex-Robotics competition field ever, a 40-inch high hanging bar in toss-up. Wow. Next year,